Guys, Ninjaro Dude here. What we're looking here is a motorcycle shoe. Actually, it's a ano tawag mo ditong yung T? T pala siya, T.
Right.
Parang yung mga mga Tri-Rex. Alam mo yung mga turbo?
T-Rex?
Oo, mga T-Rex na. So it's like a T-Rex motorcycle. See? Motorcycle shoe. They built this out of I guess it's a 250 motorcycle, 250cc. This is at Marikina in the Philippines.
Baliktad pa yung handle.
Magana kaya ito talaga?
Yung ano niya.
Eh, may cambio. We have a shift here.
Kawasaki 250.
250cc Kawasaki. Wala siyang lighter. Meron siyang paddle. Magalaw kaya to? Eh, magalaw. I turn the... Ay! Hindi, nag-video ako. This is another car shoe. See? It even has air conditioning. I don't know if it's working. Maybe there's an airbag here. Yeah.